coming to the legal aspect of narco test and polygraph test, well, there are multiple judgments, as well as National Human Rights Commission has formulated certain guidelines to basically deal with the procedural aspect as well as the evidentiary aspect of narco and polygraph test. Now, first of all, an accused person cannot be compelled to give self-incriminatory statements, as the same is violative of Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution, and therefore the consent of the accused is mandatory before conducting narco test or polygraph test. Coming to the evidentiary value of these, the results of these tests, well, anything that an accused person says during the course of such test is not admissible as a confession in a court of law. Now, then why to go through the entire process and why to take the pain of conducting such a test? Well, the reason is that if any material or any substantial information is received during the course of these tests, then that can be admitted in a court of law. Now, to explain it, let's say if during the course of the test an accused person says that I murdered X, now that's a confession and that cannot be admitted in the court. But then if the accused says that I used a knife to murder X and that knife is hidden at place Y, now if the investigating agencies are able to recover the knife from that place Y, then that knife in itself becomes an a piece of evidence which can be admitted in a court and can be used to substantiate the evidence aspect of the case.